Benefits of rice water for skin, hair, and health. Power of rice water. Rice water is starchy water prepared from rice. It is the cooked water left after the boiled rice or soaked rice for a long period of time. It is easy to prepare and have amazing benefits. Health benefits of rice water. Consuming rice water is healthy for your digestive and immune system, plus used externally can help improve your hair and skin health. 1. Helps to treat diarrhea. Rice water provides nutrients and fluids to your body to prevent dehydration. The starchy water helps to bind the stool and treat diarrhea. Using only rice water won't help, you have to add electrolyte to it. Boil 1 cup of rice with 3 cups of water for 10 minutes until the water become cloudy. Strain the rice and use water, add salt or sugar as per your taste to help replace some electrolytes lost. 2. Improves gut health. Rice water is fermented water, also known as congee. Rice water contains probiotics and nutrients that improve the balance of the gut microbiome. Rice is basically gluten-free and a valuable option for people with celiac disease or non-celiac disease. Probiotics present in rice water are good for your gut health and diarrhea. 3. Prevents dehydration. After an energetic physical activity or recovery from illness, it is essential to rehydrate your body properly. Rice water provides natural electrolytes, which makes it an ideal choice to prevent dehydration. Rice water helps to restore lost fluids and minerals. When prepared with salt, it acts as homemade saline water for oral rehydration. 4. Helps in improving skin health. Rice water helps to protect your skin from damage that happens due to pollution and sun. It gives you immense benefits to your skin. Rice water is rich in antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins that work wonders for your skin. Fermented rice water can help you with dull skin or pigmented skin. It also works wonderfully to cure pimples and their scares. Rice water is a traditional beauty treatment for many Asian countries, especially rice water is the main element of Korean beauty treatments and remedies for brighter, flawless, and younger-looking skin. You can apply rice water as toner or take a soothing bath to relieve irritating skin condition. 5. Rice water for hair care. Rice water is said to effectively promote hair health. It strengthens your hair and helps it grow long. Using rice water as a hair mask can fix your hair problems. Rice water is a rich source of inositol, manganese, vitamin E, vitamin B, magnesium, fiber, and zinc. At the same time, vitamin E is a type of antioxidant and biotin in one of the vitamins B that is closely associated with hair growth. Washing floor-length hairs with rice water helps in getting frizz-free hairs and prevents split ends. Rinsing hair with rice water makes your hair shiny and smooth, whereas it reduces hair loss with the zinc element present in it. 6. Boost immune system. One of the biggest benefits of drinking rice water is that it boosts your immune system. Rice water contains minerals and vitamins like zinc, iron, and vitamin B that support immune system functionality. Drinking rice water regularly can increase your immune system, which helps to improve the body's response to infection and bacteria. The immune-boosting elements like cinnamon, ginger, and cloves infused with rice water will help your body defend itself against infection and bacteria naturally. 7. Relieves period cramps. Rice water is rich in magnesium that helps relax uterus and reduce the production of inflammatory substance. Relaxing property of rice water reduce muscle contraction, therefore reduce menstruation pain. When in pain, try drinking a cup on warm rice water, will give to relief. 8. Increase energy level. Boil rice in extra water and stain when properly cooked. Rice water contains carbohydrates that help the body maintain energy levels and prevent fatigue or tiredness. Amino acids, minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants keep electrolyte levels balanced in the body. 9. Rice water for weight management. Rice water can be used for weight management, too, as rice water contains fiber soluble that give a feeling of fullness in a class of servings. It can be beneficial to those who want to start their weight loss journey because it is low in calories. 10. Food for toddlers. Rice is a superfood. Rice is probably the first food given to babies, as it is easy to swallow. It is soft, easy to digest and provides instant energy. Mash rice with rice water and feed it to your baby. It will be an easy food for the stomach and help with constipation, too. How to make rice water. Making rice water is no rocket science. It needs no special ingredients, just rice and water are enough. To make rice water, add half a cup of rice 4 cups of water in a pot. First wash rice roughly for once and add rice and water to a pot and cook it for 20 to 30 minutes. When the water looks milky and have a starchy texture to it, strain it in a container and use when it's on room temperature. You can store the rice water in a glass jar in refrigerator for maximum 1 week. How to use rice water. You can use rice water in many ways according to your needs. Here are some basic ways. Rice water for diarrhea. Drink 1 glass of rice water in the morning and evening until your diarrhea is in control. Rice water for healthy skin. Use rice water to wash your face or use it in the shower for healthy skin. You can dab a cotton pad in rice water and apply rice water to your face as a mask. Rice water for healthy hair. First wash your hair with shampoo and rinse it with water, then use rice water on the floor length of your hair and wait for 2 to 3 minutes and then wash your hair again with water nicely to remove the smell.